Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in outdoor and utility gear. Today, we're going to talk about a game changer for anyone who needs reliable and versatile transport, the collapsible wagon cart with wheels, 220 pounds capacity by Blomoba. It's without a doubt the best wheels for cargo carts, and in this video, we're going to show you why. When you're heading out for a picnic, camping trip, or even a day at the beach, carrying all your gear can be a pain. That's where this collapsible wagon comes in. With a weight capacity of 220 pounds and a spacious 90L storage area, it's built to handle all your essentials. Whether you're packing up tents, chairs, or groceries, this cart has you covered. But it's not just about hauling gear, it's about making your life easier. The 360 degrees rotatable wheels glide smoothly over various terrains, from sandy beaches to rough mountain paths. Whether you're pushing or pulling, the flexible, adjustable handle makes maneuvering a breeze. What sets this wagon apart is its durability. Made with a high-strength carbon steel frame and water-resistant, scratch-resistant 300D Oxford fabric, it's built to last through any adventure. You won't have to worry about wear and tear, even under heavy loads or challenging weather conditions. And when you're done, it folds down to a compact size, making it easy to store in your car trunk or at home, without taking up too much space. It's not just for camping or gardening. Take it to the grocery store, the beach, or use it for your kids' sports equipment. It's perfect for any outdoor activity. The wheels are removable, so you can make it more compact when needed, and although it doesn't have a brake, the overall design is stable enough for most environments. Whether you're an avid camper, a parent on the go, or someone who just loves being outdoors, this collapsible wagon cart is a must-have. It's sturdy, portable, and incredibly easy to use. If you're looking for a reliable way to move your stuff, this is the solution. Be sure to check out the Blomoba collapsible wagon cart on Amazon. It's ready to make your outdoor experiences even more enjoyable. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. We'll see you next time with more outdoor gear to make your adventures better.